make better documents. In this series, we'll take a look at some documents. We will look at 3 good things about a document and 3 things that could be better. This document is a product brochure. Let's take a look. Okay, let's look at some good things. Number 1, what I think is really good about this document is they've used swatches to really show off their product. It makes sense if you have a product that has many colors to use swatches. And in particular, something that I like about this is when they have used a photo, they've highlighted the particular product by using a swatch as well. So they've done that on 2 pages. Something else to consider when you're doing swatches is to make sure that you label your swatches so then people can order the correct product. The second thing that I think is good in this document is using devices to show off their app. So in this example, the company has put a copy of their online visualizer, which you go to from this website, on a device itself. So then it's very obvious at a very quick glance that this particular aspect of their company is an online app. Here's some more examples. The last good thing I want to talk about is the legal stuff. So let's take a look. In this particular document, they have a space where they can put the representative's contact details. They have some legal speak, example that details correct at the date of publication. There is a version control number here, and the sort of standard boilerplate legal thing with, in this case, they've got their ABN and all their registered trademarks. I like it that they haven't shied away from this. It is actually taking up quite a bit of the back cover of this document. As a bonus, I want to talk about how they've used their logo shape as a bit of a design element. So their logo is this diamond. They've used it as a full stop here and also within the warranty information there. So what are some things that could be better? I think in this document, something that could have been better is using the grid. So I think they've kind of 2/3 used the grid. When I start to flick between the 2 pages, you can see that the column width is actually different between the 2 pages. Something else that I think could have been done better is to do with this particular table. It has this color banding, so every alternate row has the shading behind it, and I really think it should have stopped at this far right line, because what it's doing for me visually is it says that this here is a row and we've got a tick, and I'm kind of expecting another tick in this, what looks to me like it's an additional column. Like, I understand that they wanted to have it look visually interesting, and sometimes that means going to the end of the page, but I feel like it was a detriment in this particular example because it looks like it's a 3rd column missing information. The other thing that could have been better in this document has to do with tiny text. So you have to be really careful with the size that your fonts are. So in this example, it's great that they're showing lots of examples of their product, but once you start to see the size of this particular text, it is less than 5. This will make it incredibly difficult for people to read. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the description is information about how to come to one of our online group workshops, how to hire me to design all of your workshop materials, as well as a link to quick online courses. Making the world a more beautiful place, one document at a time.